Today I'll be taking you to the MBK Center, which is a more local style mall, but it's filled with almost no international brands that you might recognize, and almost exclusively with local Thai ones. You've got little shops set up there, and if you want to shop like a market but inside of the mall, it's the way to go. But first we have to get there. So I'm taking the BTS up Sapan Kwai down to Siam. Traffic is insane. Rush hour between 4 and like 7 p.m. through the middle of Bangkok. It's just crazy. If you don't take like a motorbike, you're screwed. Look at this. For miles through the entire Sukhumvit street. And that's where the BTS comes in. You know, to be frank with you, it is pretty hot outside. I would prefer being in one of those taxis than just walking through. But sadly at this hour that's not an option. Within the area of Siam, like 4 of the biggest malls are cluttered together. Over there is the Siamscape. Over there is where we're going, the MBK Center. And back that way where we got off the BTS are the Siam Paragon and Siam Center. Let's head out. Get to our destination. Here it is. The MBK Mall, called MBK Center. There's some air conditioning going on. Immediately a lot nicer than being outside. It's good to be back in a climatized space. When the MBK Mall was opened in 1985, it was the biggest mall in all of Asia. It does have some 2,000 shops spread across 8 different floors, from shoe shops to pharmacies to gold shops, electronics, and various types of different restaurants that you can go to, with again food from all over the world. And if you're in the mood to find some cheap, definitely real brand items, this is the place to go. It's probably the most famous store inside the MBK, the Don Quixote. Again, for you Japan fans out there, it's a huge store, just like the ones in Osaka that I've been to. Let me just go outside and I'll show you the official main entrance. Here it is, the official entrance to Don Quixote. It's connected right to the mall itself. And it's probably the most known attraction within the MBK. Definitely its biggest store. Usually the rail over there is removed and you've got like some big statues decorating the area. But I suppose right now with the weather, that's a bit too much. And they'll put them up at night or something. We'll see. Now, everybody of you who has been into a donkey before will know which song will get stuck in your head for days. When I just say, duh, 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 Du, 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 du. You're welcome. As you can see, there are various little item shops. You can buy some bags, watches, more watches, bags. It's just every clothing item imaginable. And just regular souvenirs as well. There are even a whole bunch of different suit makers within the compound itself. Of various quality, but if you find a good one, you can get great suits at even greater prices compared to the West. Over here in the MBK there is also a maid cafe that I was forced into a couple of years ago by my brother and a friend with whom I was visiting Bangkok for the first time. I mean, they do have some cute desserts though, so that was nice. Fancy new belt, maybe some pants, shirts. Not sure about how genuine the watches are, or the jewelry for that matter. We're now on the third floor. You can find all kinds of outlet clothing, some watches, a lot of jewelry is being sold. The gold store is over there. Down in the second, there's a lot of bags, dresses, that kind of thing. And even further down, there's like the market area. You can get clothes like outside in the market stores. Over there, the Even Boy, quite famous for all kinds of makeup from Thailand and parts of Asia. So the fourth floor seems to be almost entirely phone related, tech related that is. Anything for taking videos, electronics, repairs, everything that you could use in that direction. I'm sure you'll be ample taken care of right here, but you do have to check which exact store you do go to. Find someone nice, you'll be fine. Just look at how far this stretches all the way through little shops, everyone trying to make a living. To everyone watching this, all the little shops crammed together, all competing for your attention, and some even working together. This is what I mean with the market style. If you've made it all the way through, you can enjoy yourself a coffee or a short stay at the amazing market. Let's go up even further to floor number 5. Floor 5, food, camera equipment, all sorts of lenses, cameras, everything that you can want. More camera equipment, more things, stuff, bags as well. If you're in the need for tech, definitely come here. If you explore every side of the MBK Center and just walk around, you can take some rest by getting yourself a haircut or find one of the lovely ladies at the massage center, get yourself a foot or just good Thai massage. That'll give you some good rest and energy to keep going on. To everyone watching this, I swear they have everything here. If you come, you can even buy yourself an office chair, or if you're in the mood, an entirely new office, or just maybe a rest in one of the comfortable beds. Cute designs. 6th floor, moshi. If you want to get your nails done, feel all pretty afterwards. If you do decide to come here immediately from the airport, you can go to the 6th floor, find yourself the luggage deposit and delivery service. Open until 10 in the evening. From 10 in the morning, they'll take care of your luggage, keep it safe until you get back. We've reached the food court. It's actually on floor number 6. I've been to different kinds of restaurants on floor number 1 before, all the way on the ground floor. But over here is the actual food court where you can get all kinds of Thai style dishes to try out for very fair prices. You can just sit down here, relax, recover, and after that keep on going. If you're looking to go out and have some fun with friends, maybe you're going on a date, you can always come to floor number 7 and visit MBK's arcade. We'll have many machines to win cute items, some games you can play with or against each other. Just typical arcade things. A lot of people meet up here and just have a good time. You can also you'll find some gacha machines on the 7th floor. They just have a cute souvenir if you want to go, or if you want to take something nice back home. Go racing, play air hockey, all that you might want. That was embarrassing, huh? If you're in the market for some pop and or anime figures, you can also find them here at the MBK Center. I know that a very, very good friend of mine is. You might even see her on the channel in the future. I took her here the first and only time that she has been in Bangkok. She absolutely loved it. And of course, what would a mall in Thailand be without its own cinema? Even more anime figurines, mangas and the like over there, and a second arcade. Fans of this Spy Family, anyone? Been seeing a lot of memes floating around the internet. Some good, some absolutely vile. But the place I want to show you, it's right over here. It's a restaurant on the 2nd floor. Something that is quite special to Thailand itself. And it's a so-called Mookata restaurant. And with Mookata, you get like a buffet that you can order. And then you get to fry it up yourself, kind of like an open buffet for, I guess, 1.5, maybe 2 hours. And it's really, really delicious. If you come in the evening, there's a big queue to actually get in. But even so, I'd still recommend doing it. It's really a fantastic experience. Filling, very tasty.